Welcome to this video on how to dropship from Shopee in the Philippines. If you're new to dropshipping, it's essentially acting as a middleman between a product supplier and a customer. Here's how you can start dropshipping from Shopee using Shopify. Step 1. Research and product selection. Head over to Shopee and browse their extensive product catalog. Look for trending items with good reviews and high sales volume. Remember to consider factors like profit margins, shipping times, and reliable sellers. Step 2. Create your Shopify store. Head over to Shopify and sign up for a free trial. This user-friendly platform will guide you through creating a beautiful and functional online store. Customize your storefront to reflect your brand identity and target audience. Step 3. Install dropshipping apps. Shopify offers a variety of dropshipping apps that can streamline your workflow. These apps can help you import products from Shopee directly into your store, automate order fulfillment, and manage inventory levels. Some popular options include Spocket, Doba, and Importify. Step 4. Connect and import products. Following the chosen app's instructions, connect your Shopify store to your Shopee supplier. This allows you to seamlessly import product listings with descriptions, images, and variations. Remember to adjust pricing to account for your profit margin and any additional Shopify fees. Step 5. Set pricing and branding. Here's where your brand storytelling comes in. Craft compelling product descriptions and high-quality visuals to showcase your offerings. Set competitive prices with a healthy profit margin to ensure your business sustainability. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.